This is day one of my 30 days in nature challenge. So I'm going to be spending the next 30 days picking different spots in South Florida nature. As I always tell my clients, spend time in nature, it's so healing. So if you want to join me, I invite you to join me. And this is day one. Look at this tree. How beautiful. You know, we're always rushing. We're always go, go, go. When was the last time you went to your local park and just went for a walk? This little place is in Boca Raton, Florida. Or Boca, as locals call it. And it's called the Yamato Scrub Area. Or Scrub Preserve. I'm not sure. I'm going to catch a glimpse of the sign when I walk out. Cute little hidden gem. Not a lot of people come here. Thanks for joining me. So wherever you are, why don't you join me on this 30-day challenge? And I'm going to call it hashtag 30-day nature challenge. See you tomorrow.